Ngoài ra, ngày 25 tháng 10 và ngày 22 tháng 2 cũng được công bố là ngày Thánh Hải Vô Thượng Sư tại Hoa Kỳ.
She also brings love around the world where there is hate. She brings hope where there is despair. And she brings understanding where there is misunderstanding. She is the light of a great person, an angel of mercy for all of us.
Don't you know the world is long to see the light? Don't you know the world is long to hear the light? I know the world is crying, I know the world is waiting for someone to break the night, for someone to be the light. Let's come along to sing and hear the God, and come on, so much in high. Wherever she goes, let's show the world. Wherever she turns, let's feel the praise. Let's come along to see and hear the God, and come on, so much in high. Wherever she goes, let's show the world. Wherever she stays, let's hear the praise. Let's come along to sing and hear the God, and